In this video, I'm going to show you how to make custom superflats on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. First of all, you want to make yourself a normal superflat world. You then want to get a command block and place it down. You want to make this a repeat command block, and you want the command to be /execute at P, or you could do any other target selector. So you could put a player's name or at A or whatever you want there. And then tilde, 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 /fill, tilde 1, tilde 50, 3, tilde 50, and then the block of your choice. So in this case, I'm going for gold block. Now, this is the simplest way you can do this. You can also edit more levels, so you could have it so that it's just for level 1 being 1 block, and then have another command block for level 2, level 3. You can even build on top of this if you want, and make it a level 4, 5, 6, and basically build a higher superflat if you want an underground to your superflat as well. So I'm going to make this always active, and then it will start working. So if I go out of this command block, as you can see, gold blocks will start appearing. Now, what you want to do is you want to first of all set up a ticking area. So go to your command block, make sure you're facing it, and then go into chat. You want to type the command /ticking area adds circle tilde tilde tilde, or you can type your current coordinates if you want to, whatever's easier, and then 4 and then superflat, or whatever you want to name your ticking area. Then it will create yourself a ticking area. As you can see in the chat, it does say that a ticking area has been created, and that 1 out of all of the 10 ticking areas is used. Now, what you want to do is you next want to go into chat again, and you want to type the command /game rule command block output and then false. And this will just simply mean that the command block output will be false, so it won't spam your chat when you are using this command. Then what you can do is simply go ahead and walk or fly around, and it will start creating your superflat world for you. So as you can see, my superflat world is being created. I chose gold blocks, and you just want to fly around as far as you want your superflat to be. So you'll have to go quite a long way if you want to make a lot of superflat, or you can just do a short amount depending on what you want. As I said, you can customize this. You can add multiple layers. You can make it build on top of this. You can also make it go and have different blocks underneath for each different layer that you want to do as well. This is just the most simple form for this tutorial, but you can go ahead and edit the layers below. You can edit layers above. You can add layers above just simply by editing the coordinates and placing down more command blocks and placing down different blocks that you do want. So as you can see, it's quite quick to be able to do this. So it's not going to take you too long to get a lot of land covered for you to have yourself a custom superflat. And then when you are done, you can just simply go ahead and you can turn off the command block. Now, if you do want to have a superflat, but you want it to kind of be your own world, so you want it to be a normal world instead of being a superflat world, and you just want to flatten land, I have done a video on how to do that as well using a similar command. So you can actually go ahead and flatten a bunch of different land, and then you can also go ahead and you can put the land block that you want over that as well. So for example, if I wanted it to all be grass, I could do that, and I could destroy mountains and then automatically turn it into grass and make it a flat land. I've done a video on that. I'll leave a link to it on the screen right now if you do want to check that out after you've watched this video. And if you do have any questions or need any help with these custom superflats, do let me know in the comment section down below. They are very useful, and then you can build on top of the actual custom like superflat elements. So you can go ahead and you can like add your own structures, or you could build your own things if you're doing this for a creative thing, or I don't know really what you'd want to do. You could kind of have your own customizability, and you could have your own kind of things, or you could make your own custom caves. You could do loads of stuff with this, and again, you can build on top of the existing layers on the superflat, or you can make it so that it is down. But as you can see in this video, in this short tutorial, I've already done this amount of land, and you already can't see any grass around if you are looking in particular areas. So you can definitely make a cool custom superflat using this method. Be sure to check out the video on screen about how to clear and destroy land and flatten mountains and make your existing Minecraft worlds into flat worlds. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.